Alright guys, alright guys. I know you don't want to hear this song, which is exactly why I'm gonna sing it. It's a big shout out to Captain Drone for making awesome videos and getting me into FPV. Although my wallet feels a little bit lighter now, and that's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. Anyway, let's just do the little jingle, right? Let's do the little jingle. Since I can't remember anything, I've got little notes here. So it's gonna go something like Beta FPV, Happy Model, FEMI, DJI, XK, Recon, Eachine, FlySky. It's only supposed to be 5, right? Like the elements, but we'll just have a few more, right? And then it'll go like, Captain Drone, he's our hero.
Likey